My name is Israel Matseke Zulu, aka GP Maorenji, the Ghetto Professor. I would like to humbly welcome everybody to the podcast, Israel Matseke Zulu podcast. Allow me to introduce my friends for today, my guest. Entertainment is in the house. Dumelang.
Everything.
Do you feel the introduction? Entertainment is in the house.
Yeah.
Yeah, entertainment galore.
Yeah.
Yeah, Tekeleke.
Yeah.
Do you know the original Tekeleke? When are the second Tekeleke?
Yeah, get that number 2. I got number 1.
Antoni.
Anthony, na get na Mixon Tall.
When are
Mixon Tall, Mixon.
Mixon?
Yeah, Tall.
Oh, even the names are similar. Mixon and Antoni. Mixon Antoni. Nice. Mixon Antoni. Okay, good. You, my lady, your stage name is Black Cat. What is your original name?
Matapelo Kanyana.
Matapelo Kanyana. I assume you are from Pretoria. Where do you come from?
Limpopo Rampashe.
Oh, Limpopo.
Marulana Rampashe.
Hampashe.
Mopedi tree.
Oh. Okay. Yeah. No, okay, Aratseba. Today we like to thank for being here to the podcast. To profile yourself, people let them know you who you are. But to Basautseba, the day there's something bad happened to you, or you come across the accident or whatever, it's very important people to know about us. You know, this show was created for profiling people. This is not a show that interrogates people and put people in the corner, whereby no. Una le right ya go bua ntho o e ratang le o sa bua ntho o sa batleng gore batho ba itsebe ka wena. That's your right. So that's how we operate. Yeah, so you are both artists.
The artist, we are a dancer.
Yeah.
Kona I can carry music no.
Oh, the first career is dancing.
Yes.
Okay, Tekeleke, what make you realize that you must dance or you can dance?
Yeah.
English.
Oh, king into entseng gore o lemoge gore o ka kgona go jive wena. Okay. So o thomile kae go jive?
Ke thomile o bina pele go stationeng ke sa lo monyane.
Oh, ko di stationeng.
Go di station go Mabopane ko.
Oh, ko Mabopane. Ya ke a bona la ko.
Ke bina mo di strateng mo la ke rekisa di CD ke ra.
Okay.
Ke sa o plan dipina tsa manyalo na mo.
Okay. E le gore ko sekolo dream ya gago ko sekolong o ile sekolong?
Na ke bina ko sekolong kwa. So principal a bona gore tse ke le ko rata monozeke a re mona re ke phutesa ka ke tsamaya nkoba gore ke rata na ke bina na ke rata o bina ke rata mmino too much.
Oh no, pela go sekolong
na ke bina ke no bina from je fela.
Ya ke re ke a tseba Sesotho sa go Pitori ba re ha ba re ba bina ba jive.
Ba jive
go opela no opela go sekolong?
Na ke opela
or school choir?
School choir.
Okay. Besides, ha ebe a sa go be ma jive.
ne ke le majaivane
ya no ke a tlhaloganya
ee
ha ebe Azang o be majaiva ha o nagana no tlo ba eng
ne ke tlo nna artist
oh
Ee.
o tshore art ke yona vele ne ntse le mo mading
e mo mading ee
okay
Mm.
and then what jaiva ko di stationing
le ko ditoropong
ditoropong,
mamelodi
Mabaska.
mara ba starta ko kae
Yeah, you know, why it's ntho e ke e ratang ka wena ke gore Azang wa dula fatshe wa ba batho ba tlo yang ko dirobotong ba kope tšhelete
ba kopele tšhelete
o entse something ka bophelo ba gago
Mm.
so lebitso la Tsekeleke o le thotse jwang o le thotse neng
ba ntheile lona ke sa le monyane la Tsekeleke
oh
Batho.
ko geno ne ba tseba Antoni ba ne ba tseba the Tsekeleke number 1
ee number 1 ee
okay
ee batho ba thoma mpitsa ba Tsekeleke yona mo
okay wa gola le lona
ka gola le lona lebitso le ee
okay
Mm,
okay
mm.
okay so ha o santsane le ntwana Azang o kopane le mathata ka bana ba bully bana ba ratang go shebelana ko fatshe a ke re wa tseba re le batho a re tshwane ba bangwe re na le ditlhogo tse kgolo ba bangwe re na le di-kiss ba bangwe re na le mmele e megolo and then ha re gola re le bana ra kwarana so Azang o kopane le seemo se jwalo
ke kopana le bona ba ngwera batho bao
yeah
ba re o se dutla enyenye o
Yeah.
mokima enyenye
yeah
ee ba ngwera so bana
Yeah.
ba nyane batho le
yeah
ba ira bjago
so no o inkile jwang wena
ne nke sa botlhoko taba ba
Yeah.
mbetsa gore ke se dutla gore o mokima enyenye
yeah
Mm.
so today ha se ba o bona ge o trenda o le famous o iketsetsa bophelo ba reng today
today ba re
swabile.
ba swabile ee
ba swabile
ee ba swabile
bona o thola gore ba tsuba dinyaope ba ne ba ntse ba o kwara
ba tsuba dinyago pe ba bangwana
dikgoneng.
o
a ba
dikgoneng
etse next ka maphelo a bona. Okay, the black cat.
funny part ke gore o kry-a le batho ba bagolo batho ba ba mature
Yeah.
last re shootile photo ke na le ena ba re Tsekeleke ka re tsere marago a ka bja ka mofeng
Yeah.
wa tlhaloganya ene gore wa lebela ke batho ba bagolo
Eh,
ba e le gore le bona ke batswadi
eh,
one day modimo a ka ba fa ngwane e le gore le ena o na le condition
yeah.
so it's so sad
Yeah, ne? Yeah, no, but this is the same question because I'm aware. And bana ba kwariwang ke bona ba phumella.
thank you
Yeah, most of the time.
mara some people they drop out mo sekolong
Yeah.
because of go kweriwa o botsena sekolo se feng konje
nna ke tsena mola mo sekolo sa selelo
selelo
ee mo le mo pela ko rena ka ere ke
primary
ee ke primary
Okay. Black Cat, when you are a musician.
nna ke musician mara mo industryng a ka kena straight ka music
Yeah.
pile ke thomile ka zama go kena ka music
Yeah.
and then ka bona gore music wa mperekele industry ke lemoge gore ba entertainer dilo tse negative kana tse positive ka thoma ka add nudity tsela tsa
Okay.
bozotwa ke mo ka o thoma go attracta batho
Oh.
ba thoma mfolo a lo nsala morago
Okay.
and then at the same time e be ke rata too much go ngwala ne ke ngwala di-script ke zama go ka shoota le di-movie sa le ka feature le Slash
Yeah.
I even ask him one day gore nkopantshe le wena ne tore
Yeah.
na bona gore ke sa le low class too much gore
Yeah,
ka kopana
yeah.
le wena so ka zama le go submita ko Mzansi Magic e no be e le gore ba re ba nyaka di-bribe ai taba tsa teng ga o mmotse gore ge ke o fa tšhelete ya bribe e guarantee ya gore bua ka o tlo tlala ke e feng a ra e teng so ka bona gore ga e teng ka baka a re okay mfe marago ge nna ne ke sa mind go bua kwa tla le TV mara ka bona gore guarantee e mo kae a mfe that guarantee so mara ka tlogela ka stopa ka di-movie ka kena mo music industry ke thoma go rata music ka kena ka nudity tsela tsa bozota bele
Yeah. So you are a filmmaker.
yes gore ke passion yaka eo
O kgona ngwala filimi o e kopantshe e shoothiwe e fele filimi ke e se e fedile filimi
exactly
then tshwantse e rekisiwe filimi and then you went to Mzansi Magic
ka submit
wa submit ha o tshwantse ba dlale filimi ya gago ba o batla tšhelete
go founile this guy ba re ke Tebogo a re tšhelete ka re bokae a re 20,000 ka ra ke na yona a re mosadi you know what to do ka re o nyaka eng a re mfe marago ka re guarantee ya gore mobu wa ka o tlo dlala ke e feng a zanga mfa that guarantee then a kgatha dilo off ke shootile fedi le no ke sa tswela pele ke ntse ke ngwala ke no dipenka ko ntlong gore one day God will open.
Yeah, ne?
Yes.
You believe in God?
I believe in God. I believe.
So, the nudity part is inspired by the challenges you came across in the industry, the difficulties you bona gore go thata mo industry go phumella because I get try where we are straight o submit a script ba batla ditšhelete ba batla sex from ko wena.
Yes.
And then that's when the nudity activity was born in you.
Yes, and nudity changed my life.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, will we say nudity is also your passion, or it became there because of the situation?
Yes, it's because of situation. You use the nudity to get to the industry, but it's not my passion
Okay.
at all.
Yeah, this is what I wanted to find out, Hore. You do it because it's passion, or you do it because you have no choice. You wanted to use it so that people can pay attention.
Exactly. And then in that way, I can win that attention ever.
Or who told Kamansamang can need habari sex sells.
Sex sells. That's true.
Because when I come across social media today, every woman is naked.
Exactly my
Huh?
point. Mara I reckon everyone only naked utlo phumella ka nudity.
Yeah.
Some they tried. Khona le ba re thomele bona this chain, mara ba tshigiletse le.
I see Pela, all of them, Jennifer Lopez, Mang, Cardi B, Nicki Minaj, everyone is performing, wearing a panty.
Because of defense.
Yeah.
Batho ba rena ba re bontshitse gore ba pay attention mo go nudity than ba le ba apere. And then ntho re tlhoka ke that attention. So if that attention in the nudity, we have to go naked.
Yeah, no, I think our industry needs to change the narrative. It has lost its meaning.
Exactly. I don't even think it will be easy to change.
Yeah.
Because of right now, for example, how in some message or right,
Yeah.
I follow. Mara, on typino they entertain that song.
Yeah.
Mind don't want to go to mama king let's why. King Kong Kong. And no rush about dance movie, I think. Come up one talanya. So the Talos of Yamba, King let's why King Kong Kong. Mara kipinelo roka we are going YouTube or social media. In a million and million viewers. Compared to Pinela Malatomo right or Yanan school, it's one camo like in Twitter. That's how corrupt the industry is.
So you are a couple?
Yeah, we are in a relationship.
Oh, you're in a relationship?
Yes.
How did you meet?
Explain, babe.
Ke kopane le ena nona le phathinyane ngoko le mawasa so ke ntse ke bina mola na ke tswela le tshomi ya hae wa bona so ke ntse ke tswela le tshomi ya hae a le busy a etsa mola nna mela tshomi la hae la na ka emmela bampitsa re tsekele ke tla nna mele stage ka bina a emmela la tla 50 rand a botla la 50 rand mola e ka thomo tshame ka ra o ke tlo mo feria o ke tlwele tshomi ya hae ke tswele le yena be ka thomanya ka le di phone number tsa hae a ka di kry-a soma re founelana ka re baby kopela re kopane ke o rata kopela re o tle monna mo re bo re kopane
Okay.
soma rona mo re thomo tsola bana
Okay. So, were you attracted?
At first, I was not attracted.
Yeah.
Nigga like stood like so slim dirang. Mara hekere ke a lebella like I'm single, I'm alone. Because I was single in a relationship.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Or you were in a relationship but single.
Yeah.
Or what you're saying is that being in a relationship doesn't mean you are in love.
Thank you.
You can be in a relationship but being lonely.
Thank you.
I'm with you.
So I was single in a relationship whereby I don't even feel like I'm in a relationship. And then Nele Mutolo phone now and then, good morning, good day, good night.
I'll check all the time.
So nigga said that until the day I first 2 days as a phone, I can't feel that gap, right man. Something is missing. Then come phone la RE, Tarabonane. If I give effort, no, but and then check it right in the same industry as I am.
Oh yeah.
Exactly. Then never reveal what Lena then Ratoma, Rajola, Mara 8. Can I get you like Sarabon? Lorobalana Yan, Idena, Matata.
Yeah. No, but now you are happy now.
Now I'm happy. I'm happy now because of Kileni Luzenga, Tagayena, Obana, Mutolagana Lena. One of the challenges things or maybe but about the
Yeah.
But I move Muslim or face some more challenges on himself.
Yeah.
I couldn't get some sugis.
Yeah.
Okay, first time you know what happened? First time I go guest house. Every fit like guest house. It's a clap or no clap. Because do that is a no clap. Aha, that's crazy. Oh, then get it a clap or no clap. I felt so. Can walk no clap or a corner plamacaus. Can man go to Tabacamacaus or room. You like a wild chance. The next time again, what's on top of Plamacaus? Wapalua. Can the Hirahala, I couldn't plamacaus. I couldn't apula dieta. I couldn't capesa dieta. I couldn't capesa macaus. I couldn't clap a bathroom since I clap a shower fella.
Yeah.
We have so get losing at I got no more fat to move. I don't know. Yeah, come to Lohoro Santo American over patient.
Yeah.
America, yes.
Yeah,
too much.
So, what is your future plan for Elena? Where do you see yourself in 5 years to come, or in the future? Are you gonna get married?
Yeah, I'm looking forward to that.
Are you gonna have children? Are you gonna have kids? Do you have a kid?
No.
You don't have a kid.
I don't have.
Do you have a kid?
Ra
Another one.
a ri na n'wana ri ke ka ni ri tlo thoma ira n'wana.
Okay.
Eh.
Oh, Alina Bana Lili too. Tell us fresh and gesond. Okay. So, yeah, man. Okay. No problem. How do you get work? Gigs?
Or the gigs, like very phone obvious because of from social media.
Oh yeah.
And the videos are high Avina.
Yeah.
And the videos are and then he's the one oil nudity.
Okay.
Since ke thomile phela lena.
Yeah.
Le ke perform batho ba sa realize gore a ke sa ira that nudity. A ke sa ba fa that nudity ne ba inyaka.
Yeah.
Ba enjoy the view.
Yeah.
You wanna black cat ke so I'm grateful and shout out to you, baby, I love you. Yes. So ba re founela ba re botsa gore go le buka ke bokae mara right now as we speak o signile Dr. Malinga.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh. So Linga Entertainment.
Ke sa
Entertainment.
ke baraka le ene ke sendile ko ene go contract.
Oh, signile ko yena. No, I know. At least you got 7
Yeah,
it's easy to get a deal. Somebody else sign a fella. Le rona zara be ra signiwa le re bona re le so rona re ba go signa. Lona le ya so lucky la signing.
Asaniwa.
Yeah. Okay, Linga's Entertainment.
Linga's Entertainment.
Okay. Hopefully in the future, Dr. Malinga, Linga's Entertainment, ke yone tla beng e le responsible for your bookings, your endorsements, advertisements. Yeah, I can keep industry very as a whole. Okay, besides Propela, writing, you're making films. Okay, you're making films. You are a writer. You are a singer. You are a dancer. What else you like to do?
I didn't think I get right no go with the business.
Yeah.
Like ke invest maybe ke re di flat di room ke nngwe e ke inyakang eo
Okay.
mara gore ke tsoge ke bereka motho tatwane tlompana
Yeah.
yeah gore ke nyaka ke irela future bana ba rena
Yeah.
mo ile gore ke itse le ka boshiu wa bona re industry fast bjang
Yeah.
re ka wa ka koloi
Yeah.
bana ba rena ba itse gore ba di room tsela di re phedisa because of industry ya rena we live day by day a rena UIF
Yeah.
a rena any money e le gore e tlo inheritance sa bana ba rena so at least ge re rile di room tsona tseo bana ba tlo sala ba survive ka tšhelete rena
Okay.
yes until bona ba pick up if modimo a re file bona ba
Thank you.
yes
You sound profound. Yeah, you sound constructive. Yeah, you sound profound.
you're constructive baby.
Wallah.
You're constructive Ira. You're constructive
Gini yana
constructive
inshallah
Constructive.
So, did you like I know? Where do you live?
no re rendile apartment go Morula Sane.
Okay.
Yes mara eno sale ka high ne to ra so movie in the full time
Yeah.
because of betola nara go ba lo
Oh.
we ka ha so we had to buy a new bed of which we just bought it yesterday
Oh.
then ya go ne lo no ro khono balance go beto
Yeah, I think your bed must be a built-in bed.
even the
One
sofa
what a skin straight. Make no mistake. Yeah, because China so I'll advise you to get a builder. They want to put social media by and it's
look at
beautiful.
this house now
Look at the guest house again.
yeah, well,
Yeah, that's final. That's proper. Yeah, for the future, you are safe. You can't lose money every year, every 6 months. Translated again bed. So you dress the shoes.
dieta makausi
Yeah.
ha emelela o tshwanetse o mo lifte
Yeah,
o mo thuse gore a kgone ho emelela
yeah,
ha yo thapa o tshwanetse o mo thuse go ke di-challenges tse ngata tse le gore wa di fenisa and wa ka bona mo o na le dinamanama
yeah.
o tshwanetse o mo lifte o mo thuse gore o dire o mo kenya di-baby power because of a ka tla ba le problem a semelo
So take a look what do you etsang ka seemo sa gago?
ka somo saka
Yeah. Gore wena o tshwane le rona bo ma-orange so o be slender o be le di-six pack o etsang ka bophelo ba gago?
e ka slima fela ke tlhole ke dira tšhelete ka gore mele ka goreng ke relang tšhelete
Okay, o tshore ga o ka slima o ka se tlhole o etsa tšhelete?
ya ke tlhole ke dira tšhelete
Ya mara o bua sense because ga o ka slima ga o sa le tsekeleng.
e ke sa letsekeleke ya wa banompu
No, mara ke a nagana ke etsa tšhelete no ka botsekeleke ga se kene tšhelete se lagile di-room le investile Gigaland.
jikene
Yeah, because your health condition it will be at risk.
it's already at risk because of ophela ka medication
Wabo. That's what I'm talking about. So, okay, can I understand that who not to be famous, look at a tšhelete, but you must also take care of yourself. Tell me, guys, are you friends with le bo Skomota, bo Shepherd Sheet, bo Richie B, Limpopo Boy. I'm talking about the Limpopo crew.
Oh, okay.
Do you meet?
We do meet, like Limpopo Boy is a cool guy.
Yeah.
Opanile yena ko House 22, Sharp,
Yeah.
who accommodate like an artist.
Yeah.
So he's a chilled guy. Buskomota, they just met last week after Ngwana Shebe. They even shaked hands.
Yeah.
So Gimoka Kono Sharp
Yeah.
together. And then Richie B is our friend because of we went to his podcast.
Yeah.
Yes, Limpopo crew like Rocharisan.
Yeah.
In despite of the fault that are in Cholori, I did it Skomoda and now it's taking they don't hate each other. Baratan.
Okay.
Yes, so that's what I love about Limpopo up to so far.
Okay. Okay. Skomota, I see Skomota on the social media, but he's millionaire. He's a millionaire. Is he rich?
Skomoda, there was a trend Yamaguso Tendao of which Nesa exists. It was just a trend. Ya go re no fa banyana 10,000 na Skomota zanga mfanix.
Yeah.
Ke jule Skomota tshata ntlo yona fela ke 10 rand.
Hey.
And then local ke motsa ke ntle 10 rand ke ne bona mala local la ta koloi kwa am fa yona fela. It's just a trend e ba e bolelang. Kwa yena Skomota wa complain ora ba mo fata o ya sfelela. O tsa ka tshata o fa batho. Asi millionaire maybe ke manager wa hae.
Moruti wa dikota.
Maybe le yena asi millionaire.
O ba sha.
Yona milone. Oh, I know the Astropels, no back to the savannah. Na para di kota, no para di night.
Okay.
I saw a millionaire. Not that I'm saying because of my ex.
Yeah.
But it's not a millionaire.
Oh. Oh, so ki ex ya gago and then ba kopane le tsekeleke and then abalwane, ne? Okay. Brothers.
A re lwele ko lesongo a mputsa gore wena o ntetse mosadi wa ka we ko lesongo ko leso la shebe ka ra ka mmotsa so ka re eish wena o paletse le ko aka motsere o le ko aka ke mmotsa so.
Yeah, ne? So otherwise lesu la ngwana shebe le hetile ha kana.
It's nothing affected like too much, especially because I even saw Shebe. And to tell the truth, ne, after when I Shebe the winner and that thing, like again, he won a lane like a look. Yeah, we sat back the memory like about too touched or and the way we play so. So little affected, I want to come to or losing one.
Yeah.
It would and especially because of in everything he was doing, it was about one high. Ke philela ngwanaka ke irela ngwanaka nngose ka descendant and ke ngwana yo one so e botlhoko kwa nna self sa le ka loser ngwana le today ke sa feel pain ka miscarriage. How about ngwana le gore already o bondile le ena o phitsileng?
So don't you think that's the problem to overlove?
But there's no way you cannot overlove ngwana how.
No, I think there are people who are over-obsessed about themselves, and which creates a problem. But when we itata gagolo, nkare a gona batho ba bang ba phelang mo lefatsheng, it becomes a problem. It becomes a problem. Go tshwana le batho ba ratang go iposta gagolo. O ka se poste o robetse, o poste o tsoga, o poste o ja, o poste o jiva. Gore bophelo ba gago kaofela tshwantse bo be ko social media. Batho kaofela tshwantse ba o bone wena gore o etsang, ha o tsoga o etsang, ha o tswa no. That's obsession.
That's obsession.
I'm just giving an advice.
No, that's true, and it ends in tears.
Yeah, it's not healthy.
It tells us something.
Go tshwana lo rata ngwana gago gagolo. O mo rate gagolo nkare a gona bana ba bang mo lefatsheng. It's very wrong.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I do. Two.
How about the
No. I don't love them haholo. I love them just like average. Tshwantse bona ba ithate bona. Because ke understand ke tla ba rata haholo and ba privileged because ke na le ntho tse ba fang tsona tse azang ka di thola nna. Ntho ha o e rata haholo ya o disappoint. O ka mo rata ngwana haholo mo isa private school, o mo rekele koloi ha na le 21 years, o mapese di Gucci, o mapese di Louis Vuitton, e be drug addict after more.
Because of what afford the drugs thing.
Akere hana reason ya gore tshwantse a bereke ka thata mo lefatsheng.
O kry everything in your hand.
O thola everything e le teng on a silver platter on a table. So ke eng e tla mo motivatang gore a tsamaye a ilo bereka.
Absolutely nothing.
And then ha o tlhokofala go tlo etsagalang ka ena ha sa tsebe go iketsetsa o santsane o phela o mshebile so go thore ha o shwa le ena o lo shwa we will lose everything o mshileng ka yona.
That's true. That's true. It happens, right? Sometimes we feel like bad here batswadi ba re ijang dijo tsa rona ko rumong ya lena ba o ruta o phela without bona ba sa phela.
Yeah.
Mara yona e feel like bang abuse wa mo jarate ba tlo re mo jang dijo tsa.
Hey, try to be independent. O be le room ya gago, o be le stove sa gago. O tsebe gore go na le ntho ba bitsang grocer ya rekiwa. Go na le ntho ba bitsang gore ke electricity ya rekiwa, responsibility. O tsebe le o save tšhelete gore ha ke tshwere 1,500 ke contributor ka yona ko ntlong. Ha ebe ke tsa ko ntlong 500 rand, 200 rand ke ya transport, 200 rand e ya ko bank, 100 rand ke yona ya reka di. That's the real education. O spoila ngwana o rata a mrata a ke batle a gole the way rona re gotseng ka teng. Mara the way wena o gotseng ka teng, it's what made you today. It's what made you the person that you are. So se o godisitse le ena se sla mo godisa. Anyet. So siyayivala manje. Yeah, thank you for sharing your story to us. Maybe go na le something le batlang go itshong mo bathong ba re shebelletseng, anything maybe concerning youth, because now I'm all about the youth. I'm all about go aga setšhaba gagolo the future. Bana ba banyane ba ha ke file bona lefa o tshwara le gore ke agile the next generation of our country. Le sa tshofa ke sekgowa le ka bua ka Sesotho or ka Sepedi.
Gore ntho re nyako e bolelang batho like batho ba South Africa.
Yeah.
Gore guys tlogelang letlhoyo a rataneng. Ge le na le jaja batho ba tshwana le botsekeleke a ba dizebe lerato na. He wena e le wena o ba le ngwana go tshwana le yena o bona gore ngwana gago a dizebe lerato na. So re guys tlogelang bullying a re ithuteng go ratana. Already batho ba di condition they're going through a lot on their own. Then le nagele edapa di fetsa le dira gore ba lose confidence ka ramaphilo a bona. Ka tsego the whole South Africa ba tsekele ka Isaac English ntho e mo costile ke bullying le go sekolong gore a fetsa a tlogela sekolo. That is why ka joka a struggle ka language mara modimo a re ngwana ka language a se yona e tlo gore o be successful, talente ke yona e tlo gore o be successful. So guys a ratane, love one another, and guys please no one will save you, save yourself.
Na guys a ke nna mantswe a magolo le te tlhokomele mo ke tsekeleke la mona nkere. So ka le kgopela kgolo le se ka nkwera mo ke tsamaya mo tele se ka nkwera kgopela le nrateng ka le kgopela le nna ke tlo le rata ka le kgopela bathong guys ke tse ke le ke ka leboga thank you bobo.